Welcome to Ucode. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Field Autofilter functionality on Ucode with a real example. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand how Autofilter works, set it up across multiple tables, and streamline your data filtering processes. Let's dive in. To understand how Autofilter works, let's work with three interconnected tables. First will be city table. This table will store city names. Second will be district table. This table will store district names and associate them with cities. Third and last will be street table. This table will store street names and connect them with cities and districts. Now, let's explore each table to see how they are set up. First, go to the city table. Here, we have a field called city, which stores the names of three cities: California, Boston, New York. This table serves as the source of truth for all cities in our dataset. The city table acts as a foundational table that other tables will reference. It ensures that data remains consistent and reduces redundancy by centralizing city information. Next, go to the district table. This table contains two fields. First field is district name. Field stores district names. And the second field, which we can see in the table, is city field, a relation field that connects the district table to the city table. This connection allows us to associate districts with specific cities. For example, Alameda, Contra Costa, and Del Norte are districts linked to California. Allston, Back Bay, and Brighton are districts linked to Boston. Brooklyn, Financial, and Manhattan are districts linked to New York. The district table relies on the city table to categorize districts under their respective cities. This relation enables filtering districts based on cities, making data more structured and manageable. Finally, go to the last and most needed to our video guide, street table. This table contains three fields. First field will be street name field, which stores the names of streets. Then second field we can see here is city field, a relation field linked to the city table. And last is district field, a relation field linked to the district table. This table is where we'll demonstrate the autofilter functionality, dynamically filtering districts based on the selected city. The street table combines data from the city table and district table. Autofilter will ensure that only relevant districts are shown when a city is selected, streamlining data input and preventing errors. To set up the autofilter, go to the street table settings. Navigate to the Relation tab and locate the relation between the district and street fields. Click on the Edit button to access the autofilter configuration. In the autofilter configuration, click the Add button to add a new autofilter. We'll see two input fields appear. For both fields, choose the city ID field as the filter criteria. Click Save to finalize the configuration. This setup ensures that the district field in the street table will be automatically filtered based on the selected city. For example, if we choose Boston, the autofilter will display only the districts related to Boston. Autofilter works by creating a dynamic connection between fields. The filter uses the city ID as a common identifier to link the district table to the city table. When a city is selected, only the districts associated with that city are displayed, reducing unnecessary options and ensuring data accuracy. Now, let's test the autofilter configuration by adding data to the street table. For the first example, add by clicking plus Add Object button a new street named Wall Street. For the city, choose New York. Observe that the district field automatically filters to show only districts related to New York, Brooklyn, Financial, and Manhattan districts. Select Financial and save the entry. For the second example, we will add another street by clicking the plus Add Object button and name Street Santa Monica. For the city, choose California. Notice that the district field filters to show only districts related to California, Alameda, Contra Costa, and Del Norte. Select Alameda and save the entry. After saving these entries, go back to the main view of the street table. We can see the following records: Wall Street, City, New York, District, Financial, Santa Monica Street, City, California, District, Alameda. This demonstrates that the autofilter functionality is working as intended, ensuring only relevant data is displayed for each selection. And that's it. We've successfully learned how to configure and use the Field Autofilter functionality in Ucode. By leveraging this feature, we can create dynamic, intuitive workflows that improve data accuracy and efficiency. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Ucode tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.